Hi everyone, my name is Margaret Ikape. I am a graduate student at the University of Toronto, and I study some of the big questions about the universe. So in a clear night sky, you can see thousands of stars scattered among all that darkness. But how did the universe go from darkness to light in the first place? You may be like me and wonder, how did the very first stars form in the first place? And how would the universe have looked if there were no stars? So it is generally agreed among astronomers and physicists that the universe began in an explosion-like event called the Big Bang. We know that the universe used to be incredibly hotter and denser than it is today. And as the universe expanded and cooled, the elementary particles that make up the physical content of the universe were produced. The universe continued to expand and cool, and more particles were able to clump together until the very first stars could form. These stars produced radiation that caused a transition from a cloudy, non-transparent universe to a transparent universe. And one of the outstanding challenges in cosmology is understanding how this transition took place. My research involves using the laws of physics to reproduce the evolution of the universe on computers. And our current model is what is playing behind me. We assume that this transition happens in bubbles by the first stars giving off the radiation, and these bubbles grow and eventually overlap until the whole universe becomes transparent. Until recently, we have been unable to look into this time in the universe, but the new generation telescopes would be sensitive enough to observe the faint light that comes from these very distant stars. And I will be using data from a telescope called the Simons Observatory that is being built in Chile. From this, we are able to learn about how long it took the universe to transition and what the nature of the first stars were.